this is a quick video. I promise you a follow-up from the roast beef that I did during the weekend. I said that I would show you how my mom used to use the leftovers and do like a ragu with the beef. So first of all, I've put a little bit of vegetable oil still in my karahi, and I'm going to add some little potatoes, cubed, about 2 potatoes. I'm going to fry them until sort of golden, not completely cooked, sort of half cooked. You will see what I am trying to achieve there. So we'll leave that for a minute to get a bit of color, and then we will proceed with the next step. Right, as you can see, potatoes are sort of half cooked. Yeah, got a bit of color on it. I'm going to try and turn most of them so that they can get a bit of color on the other side, and then I'm going to add onions. One small onion slice. 3 tomatoes chopped. Fresh tomatoes.
The heat's pretty much on full, isn't it?
Yes, the heat is on full. Right, I'm adding a teaspoon of mixed herbs, teaspoon and a half, teaspoon of garlic granules, tiny bit of ginger, teaspoonful of paprika, normal paprika, not smoked paprika. Right, as you can see, it's becoming a bit of a mush. I'm going to loosen, as you can see, it started to catch a little bit, so I'm going to add and you see how it's becoming quite nice. Right, I'm going to, you let that cook, I think your 10 minutes. I'm going to add now, maybe less than 10 minutes guys, 5 minutes. This is my beef with my gravy that was left from the weekend. So I'm going to add that in there. I'm not adding any salt because the gravy, the sauce, it smells so nice. It's
I understand, this is looking brilliant already.
Right, okay. Letting that, I'm going to put the fire a bit down now.
Your mum would have done this then?
My mum would have done that.
Oh God.
Oh, it's nice. Right, okay. Well, I'm going to let that now simmer. I'm going to add a little bit more water, then simmer it for, I would say 15 minutes in total, and then that's it. I'm just going to taste the salt. Actually, let me taste the salt now. It needs a little something, but I don't know what. Probably, I know what it is. I think it is a little bit of pepper and probably a bit of salt as well. Not much, guys. Pepper, white pepper, and a little bit of salt. We're going to taste again, and at the end I will chop some parsley, fresh parsley, and scatter on top. And this will be served tonight with some rice and some lentils that I cooked in the pressure cooker yesterday. Right.
Would you say that Mauritians are the leftover kings?
I believe so, we are, yes. Oh, I love it. That really smells. Right, let's have a little taste. Now my spoon is clean. Yes. Perfect. Whoa, very nice. Yes, all the beefiness of the gravy. Oh my god. Right, now it's a question, I say, to let it cook for another 15 minutes on slow, and I'm going to see. It's basically when the potatoes are cooked. Potatoes are not far off. So what will happen, you remember guys, I've fried a little bit the potatoes, but now what's happening is the potatoes are going to absorb this gravy in there, and the potatoes as well are going to be fondant, and when you're going to eat it, it's going to be it will melt in your mouth. Right, this is it. So what did I say, 10 minutes? Well, 15.
Well, you said 10 to 15 minutes,
yeah, 10
maybe,
to 15.
as it is now.
Yeah, I might.
From this moment on.
This, at that stage, it's a matter of everything else is cooked. So it's just...
At that heat.
Because I've cooked the potatoes. Mum used to do bigger chunks of... It's hot. Mum used to do bigger chunks of potatoes, so she would probably leave it to simmer a bit longer. But mine is smaller pieces, so it won't take long.
Right.
For the English people, they would call it a beef stew. Right, you can taste the sauce, Teds, and tell me what you think.
Right, sauce tasting. I don't usually do this sort of thing. The bunny knows what goes in it and everything. If it tastes nice, then that's a bonus for me. It's rich. It's got that beefiness in there. You can taste all the spices in there. It's going to go really well with everything that's in the pan, and also that's going to go into the dish at the end of the, to present the meal itself with the rice and everything. Winner, winner, beef dinner. We'll come back to again when we plate up, basically. I think that's more or less it. It's just the cooking time now, and then it's plating up with the rice and everything. We'll see you then. 10
minutes is up, and this is what I wanted to get. This is the potato, but look, I'm going to look at this. The potato has absorbed this sauce and it's halfway there. Look at the fluffiness in there. So that's it. I'm done with this. All I'm going to do now, this is ready, and then I'm going to scatter a bit of fresh parsley on that. And in here, as I promised, in here, this is the cucumber and carrot salad. Chatini in Mauritius we call it. So basically it was a little bit of cucumber grated, remove the seeds because of the excess of water, a small carrot grated, and then I squeezed all the juice from the carrot and the cucumber, put it in a bowl, a little bit of pepper, salt, ideally another onion, red or white, but I didn't bother. I put just a long spring onions, just the one, cut into little pieces like that, and then a little bit of vinegar, whichever vinegar you've got at home, and some olive oil, and that's it. Now I'm going to just taste that, whether to see whether they need anything else. Mix that together. Other people, I could put a bit of a chili, a fresh chili slice in there, but I'm not going to bother tonight. As you can see, there is more carrots than cucumber. I didn't have a lot of cucumber. Perfect. I'm going to add a bit of parsley as well in there for a bit of color. There we go, guys. At least you don't have to wait too long, whether you want to do the roast beef and then carry on with, we can call it a laddob. This would be my laddob buff. So I hope you can try and make it at home. Good luck. If you need any help, just pop us a question on our channel and I will help you with anything you need. Alright, enjoy guys. Take care, bye.
As you can see, Bunny didn't want to appear on camera tonight, so that's why you just heard a voice. take care, and we shall see you. Well, I was hoping for a plating up. So all there is to do is to plate up and see it all in its glory in the dish, along with the rice. So there we have it then, guys. There's the beef with the potato and all that sort of thing. That's the ragu. You got the nice rice. What sort of rice we got there, bun?
Normal rice, this one is.
Normal rice.
It's not basmati. In fact, it was a rice that I made to do a fried rice, Mauritian fried rice.
Oh,
it's
right.
like brown rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's the, what was it? Chutney of carrot and cucumber, a bit of parsley in there, and there's parsley everywhere because there it is again in the lentils. What sort of lentils we got there? Green?
Fricassee lentils.
Fricassee of lentils. That's the full meal in all its glory. Give it a go, guys. It's well worth it, I'm sure. Does it look like your mum's though?
Yes.
Even mother would eat it. Tune in again, check us out anyway for other cooking videos, and we'll see you again on a totally different video soon. Bye for now.